Nana doing Danny's hair while he doing his schoolwork.
This is why you do it. Why you doing his schoolwork and everything. Let him know he can do more than one thing at a time.
Yeah, what? Say hi, Danny. Say hi. Hold your head up to the camera, Danny.
Say salve.
Salve.
No, say hola.
Salve.
Say como estas.
Me bene.
Oh, there we go with that Latin.
Como te hablas?
Nana gonna get that hair. Where the blue magic grease? Let's see. Nana gonna use this. It's green. Blue magic grease. Okay. 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 And then Nana gonna use the olive oil hair lotion. There you go, Nana. And what we watching? Marshall Dillon. Marshall Dillon. Then Poppy, what Poppy over here doing? Poppy working hard, baby. He working hard reading his Bible.
And doing the portfolio.
And the portfolio. He got 2 Bibles right now. In reality, he has 100 Bibles. Okay. And back to Nana. And what Diego doing? What Diego doing? Let's go back here. And Diego doing his schoolwork.
Are you sending this to your friend?
Yes, I'm recording. Yes, Diego doing his schoolwork in the dark, might I add. And he was going to turn that light on so he don't strain his eyes. Oh, okay. Okay, Diego. All right, wave to the camera for us. Wave to the good old folk. Yeah, okay. But who am I? Who am I?